Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a bottle and cap with the help of SolidWorks surface tool. I hope you like it. So let's see how to make this bottle and cap in SolidWorks. And also we have 2D drawing for this. So let's see. Let's start to create this bottle in with the help of SolidWorks surface tool. Now you will see the bottom diameter 72 millimeter, the upper diameter here 68 millimeter, and the center there is a ellipse 82 by 73 millimeter, and the distance between this 134 millimeter and the mid distance 67 millimeter. So we will create two planes and then we will create, and the bottom we will start with bottom. There is one oblong 20 millimeter 4 millimeter height, radius R70. First we will create this one, then later we will create this one. Now here let's choose here plane, select top plane 67. See, create two here 67 67 134. Say okay. Now see here two planes created. If we see, this is our top plane and this is your first plane. So in first plane sketch ellipse, smart dimension, vertical length 82 millimeter, horizontal length, and vertical length 73 millimeter. Okay, now make relation. So click center point and these two horizontal points. Now see, this drawing is fully defined. Exit. Now see, now let's select top one, sketch, and the top diameter 68 millimeter. Exit. See. Now let's create one important relation here. Front plane, sketch, 3 arc point. Now select this point, hold shift key and this one. Sorry. Pairs. Now again let me choose this point and this one coincide. Now select this point and this point horizontal. I'll choose normal view. Let me draw one center line. Click both the lines, mirror entity. See, it is mirror. This center distance is bottom distance and that is 72 millimeter in our drawing. Exit. Now let's choose right plane, or do one thing first, let's create our bottom one. So choose front plane, sketch, line, go back to the point and see, if no then choose 3-point arc somewhere near here. Okay, dimension, this one defined 20 millimeter and this distance defined 4 millimeter, and this fillet 70 millimeter, radius actually, not fillet. Okay, now go to surface and choose revolve surface. Actually we should define here line also. Revolve surface. See, here line already selected and this is the things going to revolve, angle 360 degree and condition blind. Say okay. That's it. Let me hide real view. Now let's hide these planes. Now here we will create one more guide. Right plane, sketch, arc. Now let's click this point, go inside, circle, point, pierce. What lacks this circle and this point? Pierce. Normal view, see it is fully defined. Let's make one vertical construction line. Select both the lines, mirror entity. See it is mirror here. Make sure it is construction. Okay. Now we forget to add here fillet. Okay, we will add it. Surface, lofted surface. Now first I'll choose this, this, this. Okay, now here curve guide, we created 4 guides, so I'll select one. It will ask you it is open or closed, so click yes. It will ask you yes, because all open lines, yes. Say okay. See, now here we forget to add radius. It was 10 millimeter here. Cancel, exit. First we will close the upper hole, then we will create this one. See this depth inside 2 millimeter, okay, 90 by 25 millimeter, and there is a one radius, both corner 18 millimeter from center point, and this radius also inside radius you will see R3 and R2. I'll show you in detail. First thing I'll do it planar surface. I'll click this one. It is very useful at the end. Okay, now I'll hide this one. That's it. You will see here it's located here. Offset surface. Two millimeter, make sure it is inside. Okay. Offset surface, I'll choose this one. 2 millimeter inside. See here. Say okay. That's it. Don't select the bottom one. Now let me choose front plane, sketch. Now here we will create our sketch. Center rectangle, 90, tab 25, 3-point arc, and I'll connect from this point to this point. Define one center line from origin to this. Click this line vertical, so that distance. Now distance from here to, you will find midpoint somewhere. Okay, 18 millimeter. That's fine. And this distance also from bottom edge is 67, because this is the midpoint for this body. Click mirror, choose this one, mirror about this line. Let's select inside line, construction line, fillet 5 millimeter, and select hole geometry. Say yes. See, okay, exit. Now exit and go to surface, choose extruded surface, Now here select up to surface and condition. Select outer surface. Click reverse. See, okay. Now you will see inside. Now let's delete half body. Trim surface. Click standard. Here choose front plane. Remove selection. 1, 2. This 2 only, not bottom one. Remember. Say OK. See here. Now again I'll choose trim entity. This time I'll choose manual and here clear 1, 2, 3. This 3 body we are going to modify in this 3 body. Remove selection. I'll choose this one. I'll select this one. Okay. And I'll select inside body only. And I'll select the outer face. Say OK. Now see, we will get a perfect shape what we like to use. See. Now let's add some fillet. I'll show you this 2 fillet. We need to add 3 and 2. Then we will upper edges we will extrude 16 millimeter and what is the diameter 55 up to 16 millimeter. Okay. Then we need to also make a hole. Okay. Then we will use mirror tool to complete the full body. And let's see some more. And this corners R5 here also. Fillet. I'll choose 3 millimeter and 3 millimeter for inside. See, again I'll choose fillet 2 millimeter and this 2 millimeter for outside edge. This is a constant size fillet. Now let's mirror. Choose your front plane and go to body and select this body. Say here click knit surface so that all surface will be perfectly. See. Now just show the hidden. See, that's why we hide, otherwise there will be a line. Sketch, circle, and here the diameter 55 millimeter. Surface, extrude surface, end condition blind and 16 millimeter. It is moving downwards, so make it reverse. Now let's make a hole. Trim surface, click here manual and here choose this one, clear. This face only. And remove selection. Select center one. You will see the preview. Here we selected remove selection. That's it. Now let's click knit surface. Now here clear and select all body, bottom and everything. See here margentity. Okay. See, everything is knit. Fillet R5. Okay. Now let's add thickness to this. Thicken. I'll choose the body. Here thickness not 10 millimeter, 2 millimeter. and make sure it is inside. So here choose thickness side 1. In one side means inside. That's it. Now we allowed thickness to this body. Now let's create this thread. See, thread size is 1.5. Okay, before going to create thread, we need to do some more thing. We need to create a plane 2.6 millimeter from the top face, and we will use thread for inside circle 51. This is the variable pitch dimension, pitch 9 millimeter, and these are the intervals, revolution and diameters. We will keep like this, so remember this one. And we will create one, then later we will use circular tool to create two number of fillet, thread, sorry, not fillet. And this is this size 0.7, 1.5, 33 degree. See here, 3, then 30. I'll choose this face, sorry. Select this face, plane. 2.6 millimeter. It's moving upside, so click flip offset. Now click on the surface sketch. Now I'll choose inside edge. Convert entity. See, it is converted. Helix and spiral. Now here select pitch and revolution, constant variable pitch. Now the first one, 9 millimeter. Press tab key. The first one is okay, 0 revolution 0, this one 0, this one 51. But the second one also 9 millimeter. Press tab. Revolution we need to define, that is 0.08. Tab. 55. Tab. 9. Tab. This time third revolution is 1.02. Press tab. But here 55. 9. Press tab. 1.1. Tab. See, height is automatically defined by system. This one 51. That's the final thing. Okay. Now see, it's moving upside, so click reverse, and angle we will start 18 degree, so that you will see here we will get like this, so it looks a kind of close. Okay, hide. Now show here temporary axis. Click the point, the upper start point of thread or helical pitch, plane. Select this one. See, we selected point and axis. Now select this plane, sketch, line. Now here we will create our thread dimension. Take little taper. Close. Make sure this is horizontal and construction line. Angle 3 degree. This angle 30 degree. Okay. 1.5 millimeter, and this one 0.7 millimeter. Okay, this is our dimensions. Now click the end point of this, hold shift key and select this spiral line, click pierce. See, this is fully defined sketch. You will see here. Go to feature, shift boss base, Now here I'll choose this first sketch profile, sketch selected. Now axis, I'll choose this one. You will see, say OK. Now how, look, let me hide this all planes and even axis. See, fillet 10 millimeter both, constant size fillet, radius 10 millimeter. Now temporary axis is available, even though choose circular pattern. Here I'll choose this one and this. See, sweep and fillet feature, and axis I'll choose center one. 360 degree, two number of instances we need. Say OK. See the thread, two threads we created. Let me hide temporary axis. So this is the R body and it's created. Okay, at the bottom here, now here 3 millimeter step is there, 3 millimeter upside and outer diameter 58, and the rest all finish, I think. I'll select this face, sketch 58 millimeter, 55 millimeter, isometric view, see a closed geometry, extrude, and that 3 millimeter, keep end condition blind. See, now let's save this body. Bottle, this is part 1 actually, and we will create a folder. Bottle, part 1, bottle body, sorry. Go to appearance, and here we have too many things like glass, thicken glass. Oh, that's look perfect. Save it. Let's make cap for this. Let's start to make cap. If I'll, we will start with this face. Here R65, height 18 millimeter, and the center distance, if you see 63 by 2, it's 31.5 millimeter, and we will use revolve command to revolve it. Then you will see this one R66, 1 millimeter we will create offset, and we will extrude this face. Now this one, see, we will create this body 44 center distance, from center to center 22.5, the corner to center 24 millimeter. Then we will extrude, create this arc, and this is center to this point. See here. So we will extrude this one up to R66, means 1 millimeter offset. Then we will create a plane R35 from bottom to top, and we will create this one 18 millimeter and extrude up to this body. Front plane, sketch. Let me choose here line. Go back to the point and see it automatically convert it to arc. Smart dimension 63 by 2, it's 18 millimeter, and this is R65. Now let's go to feature, choose revolve boss base, and here choose axis of revolution. See here. Okay. Now let's create, go to surface, offset surface, select this face, 1 millimeter offset, because we want to extrude up to body 1 millimeter this surface. See, select back, sketch. Let's start to create. Center line. Now choose here 3-point arc. Now let's create few relations. Hold both the points horizontal. Okay. Now select center point and these 2 points relation symmetric. That's it. This line and this one tangent. Now here let's create relation. 22.5 millimeter, 46 millimeter this center distance, and distance from this point to here 24 millimeter. Mirror, I'll choose this one, mirror about this line. Okay. 3-point arc. Let's connect these 2 points. Select the circle and this line, this arc, concentric relation. Mirror entity, let me choose this one, entity to mirror about. See, this geometry is fully defined. Extrude. Now here choose up to surface, reverse, and I'll choose this surface. Okay. Now let's hide surface. See, the body is created. Now let's select this back face. Okay, let's exit and create a plane first. Choose the back face, plane, and 35 millimeter distance, flip offset. Okay, choose plane, sketch. Okay, this one better, 18 millimeter. Now let's define the center distance 17 millimeter. Make relation origin point and center point horizontal. Extrude. Now here choose end condition up to surface and let's choose this surface. Let's hide. See. Now here you will find a taper. See, there is a 2 millimeter draft. So we will create draft. Then, okay, let's fillet here R5. You will see here R5. Then we want to make this cutout 29.5 millimeter, 16 millimeter height. And this is concentric to this upper edge. Draft 2 degree. Let's choose us. This is the base face and which faces we want to make 1, 2, 3. It's going downward, make it upward, reverse. Okay. Now see, its little seems tapered. Fillet 5 millimeter. Now let's select front plane, sketch. Let's make inside hollow part up to here. Make sure it is in tapered condition. Go back to convert into arc. Okay, exit. Three-point arc. concentric. Select this one and outer edge. Parallel. (59/2). Now vertical length 16 millimeter. See, this is seems fully defined. Now go to feature, choose revolve cut and select this axis of revolution, this one, end condition blind and 360 degree. We want to cut full. Okay, see here, select off face, sketch, circle, and here we need to cut a hole. 14 millimeter. Select extruded cut and here end condition, choose next. See, now let's start to create thread. Now here we need to make thread. This is the thread size 0.7, 1.53, 30 degree, 3 degree, and this is the thread specification, 9 millimeter pitch. This is revolution 0, 0.11, 1.2. This is calculated 58.85. This is our initial diameter, and here you will see we will start create a plane at 2.5 millimeter. Then we will create our thread. Radius is R1, R2. Okay, that's it. Choose this face. Sorry, we want to create a plane. 2.5, click offset. Okay, now choose the plane, sketch, diameter 58.85 millimeter. Go to feature and choose helix and spiral. Okay, let's see like this. Variable pitch. Now pitch, let's say 9. Tab. This one 0, height 0, 58. Let's increase this one. 9. Tab. .1, tab. Now this second one is 57.79. Tab. 9. Again choose tab. 1. Tab. Here 9. This is height automatically defined, but here diameter we need to define 55.23. 9. Tab. 1.25. Now the last pitch, diameter 55.07. Make it reverse, it should go inside. Start angle 18 because 18 gives us a perfect shape. Okay, let's hide. This is the point. Choose the point near to this face. Show axis, temporary axis, plane. Now click point selected, click temporary axis and see a plane going to create on the point. Okay. Click sketch on plane, line. This is the shape. Let's make this center point. 3 degree, 30 degree. 0.7 millimeter and this height 1.5 millimeter. Now select this point, hold shift key and select arc, make pierce. See, drawing is fully defined. Simply go to feature, choose revolve swept boss base. First sketch profile. So this is our profile. Now path. I'll choose this one. See here. Okay. Now let's hide all the things. Even I'll hide this. Now you will see inside there is created. Let me hide temporary axis also. Now let's make one more. So we will use circular boss base. Here choose feature, select this sweep cut, and here we need to choose circular face. So this is also a kind of circular face. Equal spacing 360 degree to, see, if I'll, you will see the section view. See, thread is created perfectly. Fillet. Now 1 millimeter I'll choose this two. Okay. 0.5. Okay, this is constant size fillet we applied. Now this is the our job finished. Let's go to material, plastic, high gloss plastic, apply to all body. Now save to cap. Now let's make assembly. So simply go to make assembly, bring this part here. I'll choose, even though, let me define one more thing. Image quality keep higher because there are too many edges. So insert component, browse. You can simply choose larger icon, bottle, open. Now see, even though if you can open this bottle, and here you can apply bottle green, it's, you can make, that's it. Now save this one. Okay, now here looks perfect. Met. Select this face, and this face. Concentric relation. Okay. Okay. Drag bottle down. Click this one and float. Now let's make body fixed. Met. Advanced met limit. I'll select these faces and these faces. Now limit here, maximum limit 40, minimum 0. Okay. Now let me try again. See, this is maximum, it will not go beyond this. Now let's align the body. So how you will align? Front plane this one, hold shift key, control key, front plane this one, click mat. See, it's aligned. Okay, but we use this one only for reference purpose, so just simply suppress. section view. Now here clear and choose front plane of any one part. Now see here, the threads are visible. Let's add mechanical mat. Screw. Distance revolution. I'll select this face and inside the cap face. See cap and bottle. 9 millimeter is the pitch, so we will keep distance 9 millimeter. Say OK. Now let's try either it's moving upside or not. Oh, look. That's it. It won't go beyond this. So this is how we did a simple tutorial in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Save. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.